What's up? It's your boy, the modern day hope dealer, Mr. 5K, and you know what it is. Check it out. The key to success and obtaining success starts with mastery yourself. Mastery yourself begins with 3 different aspects of it: self-discipline, self-motivation, self-confidence. See, that self-discipline is mastering your consistency. That self-discipline is mastering your emotions. And once you're in control of your emotions and your disciplines and your routine and your consistencies, ain't no stopping you. Next is that self-motivation. Self-motivation really starts with understanding your why and having 3 whys of why you must get up, why you must obtain excellence, why you must be your best self. Your self-motivation should not be everybody screaming at you and giving you direction and inspiration on social media. That self-motivation should come from within. It should come from your why. And last but not least becomes that self-confidence. You see, as you discipline, you put in time, you put in work. Your self-motivation, you put in time, you put in work. And work over time equals confidence if you really put in the work. But listen, I tell you all about this in Training for Triumph book. You heard it once, you heard it a million times at this point. Over 5,000 times to be exact. So listen, master yourself, master your emotions, master your actions, master your thoughts, you master your outcomes. You already know what it is. Stay focused, remain humble, and keep working. Keep working, keep